Messiah. Mimia. Tabarakallah yetwa ala kane tunko en sham yelati yan pomo jabara na gan kuturana na tatamlana tin morla munche mina sa hanyo fiatiti katala lavna na topal ala kawle maya nikatu ko en chelsel jo inshallah la futu so bi mo pune titi tablana na wonn yadda onu betu so bo minti chanda pune tabarakallah okay en chele mesel ni katiga ka ban no yulumo Muhammad Hafiz aka G Face chitobina nyasi yang belichin bitu go bisan okay UG en yele so ya dama dagban kwamba yan tuma nyilla na ngabo zuwa yeto ama ya nuku borna ban sham yele ya ango program shel ngoma alkawle nyele nak bamba kat kamir bolle na den chana karabe TV tesa shel den gamya den nye North Television NTV mbalama ya saja mimi ya okay mapu yala ye jika ye no program azu Terenda koreana the cosmo katina. Yes, Menazin Food Spices and Tapalisi Tomato Mix, Lala Nyalaka Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Art and Technology, Kababe Arasikiti Maka program Maka the Kanamaya. Deepa shall apunya alama nama yomana kantanga on social media kati yala ya yetenda ba al kaule shall from the beginning ma then katakana na the boss nyanya tentu pale then nyedene we are doing the review of the one done concert at the Alhaji Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium and to ten al kaule ma da nyala dene nan kunun ka program ma yala bara de interview nama de ban shaka maza ha promotion nan ma talla nyal na program ma nan nagi talla mana teacher ka ban program ma can gam no wongam de da nan da pune de ba ban de yeto anya yina rapunia hey haitin jianwo hanan ma pun zang la fiap song ya na wonga fara kabol no crocodile karazoro kabachana but what really happened it is the review of that particular concert maya and of course the bankpam ya na dwel shapulu tutia aka irin na paani ni mana ka Allah dwel shi na yala bi Musa ya de so fas gadam ntapa Hassan Al Hussein belanya laban labna nabta pal al kawli shelten da ba maya we doing review of that particular program but fas gadam yelma nambol mele ni thank you program for the people that came and supported in that particular concert maya so den kati na mambol review ba fas gadam no kamana no to puka pa mahluchi bi kam mundanye sa ima ado abe son sembe yelle kampune de ba banda kana to support the program no onjianwo asabre Allah ra atane atala taala ba alamishi dalma ka kallar mana o panyi sahno kana ka tun dalji ay nazo yama won yara ditran ka atum de tuma karshe a bankes ben san la machine ma paga na yinga ntikala la biya tu machine ntikala la vacha baka we kana la o ben boy police na ka ka ta ga dara yinga ka shi ka la ma dinda ka zancan Allah ka ga dara cerje wasu gara la ba ga dara bi yo ta banka tranye bit nyam de ba video bi of course yes then ka to ko yel so ya ma ngwa yeso ma dika yeto apam fas gadam yele mun dan pa Hassan Al Hussein and we talking about the review market nan ya there's one ko en de la tanan kala na Menazin Food Spices Lisi Tomato Mix Mr. Red Motors the Institute of African Art and Technology show ma da pul me be de pul bole da nan show ma ne cartesian ne take sporia na ya zumo changam no wangam an wumli ari chankantanga en de la tanan kala na ba ko me la video star performance star ka bana kunye crowd ma ka ni attendance ma boy karana lamna ti yala na salam fa jere ayem piable shafu marle ya na won gafara ni detail won lamna
baby me and you go share my money I go take your pain to see you smile.
This Christmas, all roads in GH will lead to the Bukom Boxing Arena for the biggest musical concert to hit Accra. After filling up all the event centers across the north, the master entertainer, multiple award-winning Starboy, the Pakilana, Pride of the North and King of Northern Music, Alhaji Wandon Fancy Gadam, will storm Accra on Xmas Day to shut down the Bukom Boxing Arena with his Wandon concert. Yes, oh yes, the Fancy Gadam Wandon concert live in Accra on Christmas Day, the 25th of December 2021 from 3 p.m. sharp, where my Gadam Nation fans come and experience world-class performances from the nation champion, the ruler Wandon Fancy Gadam, plus the Youngbu, Fadlan,
The Legend Boy, Westchild, Abu Sadi, Dansha,
Otika, Nanki,
Shatamichi,
and many more. Grab your advance tickets at the Bukom Boxing Arena for a cool 50 Ghana cedis regular
and 200 Ghana cedis for VVIP table reservation.
Come experience the best of the best this Christmas at the Fancy Goddamn One Dawn concert. 40244697529 to reserve your tickets. One Dawn concert, Bukom Boxing Arena, Accra. Be part of another historic event with Fancy Goddamn.
Kanula, Zon Pella, Zon Sabla, the Dani and the Villa, the Matiella, the Gumtizilla, the Yatapula, the Cheka Soyala, Calapso. Nicapa, you know, Gondra, be Araga, Tama Pain and Dora being on the Kubutata. Nibapam Kong being Yavia, to go to Caliban Kong Yavia, Amaso Loyan Yeditilla, Nakargunaya Maltitia. Junkurumbuna katabosu dungo mambom bom bom bolije. Kata tata mante titu zunne makaba mal maltinje. Litami ane dang panjo bugur nesuno. Tiba malte basonku to malti. Dang panjo bugur nesuno. Ticha kata yimi yela palte yim dundongni. Dama dang yini, dokuri yini, kata gangani, te yete fini. Te kwala te bechisi. Aïe, un zantidi ni piensi. Woyo, te quoi la te petit, un zantidi ni piensi. Aïe, last verse bien la folie. La verse bien la folie. Na nu yisangu kaba maltiri dare te purti banyamate garba kare na nu tike jatelan kemi yanda ni kan bo la poni ba kan gum la pola las wes ma dan kan bo tamala bal sabar ba sabar bam biare ne fitina nan kaba zanfo share na nu yisangu kaba maltiri ku biare te purti banyamate garba kare na nu tike jaratelan kemi yanda ba ayam bazil chekar maliyam banga munta wumji mangun mar wodwarba tumana fi kanan san tumtuma Mr. Polity Isa atumanya la officer Allahumma nyama office nyama Polity Isa yimanu katenam nam yedwasa te dafanam la kwa manki temnuwa li somti na duwa kati yala moto Allahu akbar oh la potazo yeni wali nyejila la poli wali to ma la bal sabr bam biare li fitina nan ka sam fo jare na nu yusangu ka mandiri ku biare te burti banyama te garba kare na nu tike jarat lankem yandamba ayam bazil chekar mali yambanga munte wumji mangun mar wodwarba tumana fihi kanan zan tumtuma Allahumma salli Mr. Polity Isa atumanya la officer okay nyama Polity Isa yimanu kache nam yel dosa okay
te kwa la te bejinsi nzang ti di ni piensi te kwa nzang piala nzang sabel
no na zan solo kankara zumo inde be mention ne te break down of yiri shanga dembe album pour trene pour me kapa banda anan sa nkara program be kala register ka de shirka ta ba so yen so ha me but ndal fanda yen de ben de sa ba charsa di pa sheten lan labda because album mama pour ye to abere pour pam album ma track ba track we try see tin to ku son kele bi fashion because hanne yen ma no ku no ne ne ma yel mana ni yendi ne ba shir album ma ne ba shirle
Bumben ban fa alba shi ko ta kai
an karana ma ba yelma ni igo over you na ba karana amin ba ba so ka pilo tene yo na ma be la one door one door yes, that's just beautiful. To start the program with the song Alabama Puno, you shall be no kafanse kadam ko bole no mantambo. I mean, it is dedicated and a peace initiative dedicated to the good people in Nano. Just, I mean, to preach peace, to remind the mountain yoban shao, don't welger to porpam, then land the tengalsi. I mean, that's just wazun kunyela karabe yila puni. Di pa shaltenen of the program. I tell the lapcha kafanse kadam ko san la yi to Amazon katanyanya. Yes, ninyi nyeba besable puni. Katanyanya tizahane preaching sham karacham. But Mr. Hassan, on te pas face gadam bakana ne titi yel nyanya program sheldon dana asar sheldon ku garma den dale nan kan kaban oh to den ka ci pezo waya all right abasar
yes
you ma be wala
de biaza
ka jere suma
ka ta pana umpa
ka ci wel ma ya
apin yelle ta tamchile asur da ba ka ta tile kala so ma ka sana
lano pa ka lero wa di tiri kali
ke ta po di tunri
on a very simple come on fast ma call her pam so di kunu ka so call ya ni show ma na da pull me be da ba pull your reaction as a manager when that be the pull involved in the ticketing, involved in the gating, involved in counting of the money be an show ma pull what will be your reaction
come on anya wonte na pull me delan ma is either wada ba kana program man
okay
be ti chom den yo anya
okay
I be program money am bang net programs puni the program na jinke kama woman ra ti twasha den jema
okay
yes
okay
tenanda be dun dol mane
yeah sure
tenanda kwara ticket ma
okay
tenan man kalta lare den ma za anya am bang kama ti show ma dra twaya
okay
to challe che ka producer kunme video ma ten na show ma the video shanga den yina
yeah of course
ban le ni di shara ti show ma da twaya dora ku twame den tun retuisha so I won't say net show ma da fulmi vema delan ma vingalanga
okay
there's a reason behind o yellow
nda di shara karmalla kaman har sometime ago nyeri video ba nda di shara karmalla kaman nirbe ya net tickets puyanga kan kana tinya kaman like people were not taking irabla the ticket ya imrabla ticket ya you were just taking money
12 za ticket chantin na print za da na 12 AM
oh really
dan ni mo za kan yara ma
okay alasa atara mo wala mo sometimes ya mo munya mo yero mo kalro
December
hal dinka muben MC arma yerwa no ra bola la no that
kan ku to la nyale
no ku to la
ya anye production crew ma brakana ranan la wala halin ta bana dun dol mani ama da ku pora bo ma ya no wula katin nin da kan yirmo kanala anya ma yala ye 12 za ya trayen parla dun dol ma because to bo ne so kenan tizazuksa
okay
trazan la fi babal kawle na bi kana yan jina ko so lera amma karpun pale kabiya ne bo na lele dinin da tuka ne kan zadin dol ma nan babbajin patire la nan da ka darba nan da la ka trapa nan da ho
so tickets den da
naya
how many one of it
imagine I know VIP 4,000 kar
9
4,000 tickets VIP kar put
the love was
crazy so kan put ma 2 billion
tiyan bol la ka yele te bala jira
this aya
okay
so we ka bala ka paso
ka ta
assemble tin ka ti de lo la
yes so
aya agba ro
nyame
okay
program mama kama fans garan pe yelma se kam na penete nan ba thank you
okay
fans garan yelo yila fune no fans banan ban shakkan baba kama tuna shin yel na bayyana kan bayyana
sure
program wani nyama la time za wuci da ba durma me because kulli mo tana nan la ta program ka yalan woni ba ka ta board da fune kar nai ka nirma ne shi bilci
So mean the crowd exceeded your expectation.
It exceeded our expectation. So maybe 2 years jump for it. My brother, it was regular. So 2 years jump to maybe 10 years that Richard Dachi Cabin Yard to
we're talking about that one because and we need to talk about it. So Fancy, this one is very personal, very, very personal to you. Because these are people that they don't owe you anything, but they have sworn that as far as they are there. Then after can reflect on the numbers that you came inside and saw. Then
One hour, she now won't go you some value. Now, to Nta Pinchelle, the chicken soup because I get to a coat of parents. Me, yes, you can fast, man. Keep on card, my fast gadam. Not appreciate you. Wow. Not push on it, with double. Can't pay fully. Fully can't tell no more. 30 minutes, don't pay for young. Wow. Now, I can't go up with you. Ababo, because someone took a cat to present for Lipuni. You 50 Ghana, can't will fast gadam. Come fully for 1 hour, Captain Daru. You are never Pasarama. Oh, Charlie, God bless you guys. The pastor gives for our unity and no more, so you're lumber. So you're lumber. Yes, I play Liga Kelly. You can shall us and diamond. No, can I come to you? The Pafasa Gadam, so not to down. Now, in a month, 2 meetings, yellow show. Now the blessing every fan of Fansigana. Okay. Now the chicken comes in young Roma to my support of Fansigana. Now could drop on Bangana, no book watch and Bella. No Bangana more than totally shall be. It's up to because you told me from that I mean, I am a programmer, and you need to, atom sandani as to alcohol ragbati, expectation Daniel Mo, Picatra Plano. But the Saturn never double not in that plan, Shama, Cassandani, you parapuni, then I lay come Jumuna, Trafilia.
I lay truly. Try the first Garayam Gymnastic Mazo, 12:30. Okay, yeah, of course. No man can yan Zani and Pilin Sandanama. And Macayel Dalir Shelly, then that tally. Okay. Anyebo, Mammy doesn't be trying to come on. No matter what, 12:30 my fancy and gymnastic. Sure. Carapam the Tinima Jande, but down my Jimna. Of course. Anyebo. So then that you can't started late, my Daniela. First, Dan Jimana Daba Duncan Denapam. Okay. Anyebo. Okay. So I lay 1 hour difference in that bay, Tinda Yelsham Mazo. Because try at 12:30, go to Juna 1:20 something. Because 1:30 in Kuba. So take our moon and Daba. Okay. So Nimana 20 century, Captain Sandana fast ma. Okay. Tinda Yellow Juna 12, go to Juna 1:20 something. I understand Lavo. But I later. Tenda ba alcohol shelma. I learned the previous benyar. I'm bound the motor pantama. So Tiang political land money. Yeah. I learned first the program put me into 3. After 3, I'm a under do not shelma. Siluma da Busura Palagiapa. Yeah, of course. I'm attend up when the 12 cabinet the Bazalama, the Malabucata and the Sandana. Of course. The Manacatiam chill. Abao. Maybe Tila and Yellow Pie. Nakal security pie. Okay. Because in Yelam Nakama, Tenentiki is the Nami. Then the expected solution, ma brag come Nakankalam. Okay. I have so security shelter Zanama, they have put la Jella. Because I remember the number of 60 police personnel at Razana. Tonya system I am local security. Bouncers and Brapa 20. Wow. So in all we had about 85 security. Wow. I have Ama Suluman Rajina Shama, come fans get up to a meeting in Yasham. You bought fancy like Yai. Wow. Oswado at Yarasha Pulokan man, and now Namale. Ayewo. So security man, Catalans and Carmela Commander to Chamvin Yalanga, because I lay Shabe Dab to Barai in Luna, which Catrava Borley. Okay. Ayewo. To Mirababa Lab and Makulana. But numbers man Yama. Maybe it's due to Bamochavi, can the man might short fall. So the man about Sandana. Okay. I'm a Yara Pambianca, near Yara. Maybe 2 years on 2 years del come off as Garam Jamda, go to no cabona, then the Maza. No, Kakuyil Katrachama.
Okay.
We were there for a program.
Of course.
You know how Fancy performs.
Yeah,
Why do not take so?
Yeah.
O Borman Akanakabana Kama Andwama.
The value of
The
your
value
money.
of your money.
Yeah.
So when do not take
And he promised that he was going to entertain you.
Yes.
Even if it means demeaning
What?
himself to make you feel that.
My brother Ayala and I.
Okay.
Even if it means demeaning himself
Okay.
to make you happy.
Yeah.
To Fancy Garam is ready to do that.
Wow.
So Tiyan Yel Kaman Sandan Debayikas Yentam.
Okay. No, Adam one. People paid 50 cedi promising to get seats and sit down. But some of them came to and stood out the program. But though Bandabelan Bishop Dabelan Yerkar problem as to Zania throughout the program. But some of them I took lecture Sunina, I mean Sanzan. I mean
Denkan Yerma. Yempulama Kaman security Tranang 4,000 VIP tickets. Karanai. So Tran make arrangements for nearly 4,000.
Okay.
But then down in Karanai, Kamana Charma,
Okay.
definitely Shabi Kanabian Zarazuksa. So the word to me are let the milk at the lady jam the VIP.
Okay.
Nakar Yert. Next time, Tile no program.
Yeah.
The two net heavy.
Yeah, of course. No, of course.
We have
I mean,
seen sense in it.
regular man, Bishama. Come on, Allah Shuma. I told you, come on, 10% of Banda Bay regular.
Thank you.
So yeah, how do you okay, big babble. Dupa Wuram and Kamania, had the persons in the show consider
Vietnam more.
Yes, the national smart. But Philip come on, no.
Nyama. Mani ambani now when dear to so. That's what Kafans Garam so had Wamao. The one 2015.
Yeah, especially
by Yantulo Chankatama. You now check up a boom by 2021 and bon. Carchibi yet in the come up a bar. The VIP can get the regular.
That's 50 Gado.
Kaya Tabla.
So, Manasoane, Nanka social name. Nka VIP, Mana VIP.
Okay.
About
Reservation.
Table reservation.
Okay.
Karanyala, in first papa to Boara, you will kind no show can 200 currencies.
Okay.
Pasol and you move Boara, Castle can buy.
Okay.
No for a Sansanama.
Okay.
About Nadama, even Accra Bamboo. Now, honorable Nama, you know, Accra Jamana, you know, character Jamanam Champagne, ye, that one walk out. Come on, Mr. Howard, to show Accra, of course, whole car for him. Come on, Nanak Sumura, Chief Natia, Abagata, but no soon check on Nola, 200.
How to show my VIP man?
Brown woman,
of course, of course, of course.
Sometimes I tell them we shout to you what because some now go through my lyrics against me. You hear me? December, if you spend all your money, you go suffer for January. Like I yell it. Look at Ambon, for example, 200 Ghana. Look at January come to
okay. It is not meant for you.
Kalala. Show my little one 50 city flat.
Okay, okay.
Now, show my 50 Ghana flat. To my yellow 200 Ghana than my
okay.
Then yellow ass and Zanima.
Okay.
MP Nama,
Yeah.
Nanama, Nivokara, Bangbasabi, Fasakarami. But what you can let 200 Ghana.
I'm better believe in the camera, no, General and the can I know who find
I look at that.
I don't want to I'm not because Yermasha boy. So the problem. All right, still on you, Fancy. I mean, program Kunagi. Harry, I'm Yamara near, but Pinna. Thank you. A video you should be a pull canal. Well, you Karashiani tickets Purian. I mean, no Putu. I mean, Jaragomba.
Okay.
I'm sure when you saw the video,
yes.
You knew where it was directed.
Oh, yeah, sure.
How did you feel?
Like, man, okay. Because I'm the day. Some how to know my show, then I'm going to change.
Ola, on have no issue.
On our no show pay. Oh, to know show, come and show it.
As in, you pull more no park and
can't park, that income.
Oh, Kalwashi.
I want to know show, dying.
Okay,
I
don't know when you saw come on.
Kalvishi, oh, come on, open that show. Come on, can't kind of show.
Okay,
one change.
Because
last time, oh, you might be on broom. I'm not going to lose our. You got the other electric Lord Piele, Caspray. Black.
Azap.
She's so low. Bomber. Dia go punya. Ayela am borshale. Ay umla nje shale. Ababo. Karta sa ni yiri masho magware. Imi fast gada mpot na wuzo bi yade kokko shi nyama. La ta gba ma yama yaro.
No, of course.
Mama no wula.
Okay, to wum la so right.
Nkara ne kom.
Okay.
Kara do ayila tentuzo. Ko bi pa kan te vojare. Ababo.
Okay.
To kan
I want to tuma that to tuma onda me
tuma shala.
Tuma. That you go to no.
Kom to tuma.
Okay.
Yila kom ma. Dine chiko nye yila.
Mo rapu nwe la yili shan harkata na mbi.
Kala yila no sa do za ma sara na nya. Ay go to ka ja. Ababo. So kongo nda dogo dalere. Ko metuma.
Okay.
Kai karje hoya. Ko zam chef show. Aba ka ba nya biela.
Okay.
Ka to chata cha la camera. Ababo. So ya, kana ka ta no show.
Okay.
Ami o da no show ma ara bun kan yele bisha.
La barata muna nda abu.
Abba, so an kan lim ye ban belt ma. Ana la show bi yele bisha.
Okay.
Nyama ba tora bin ye jansi.
Okay.
Ababo. Ai na ga show ya kan ya laran kula jama. Adin nin ye shan da.
Okay.
Ngbalan no show na ki. Kan ye laran kula ya. Ndin nin ye shan ba din ya. Carrefour la ni tiki ku ya. Atin nan ma show din na yenga. Then the man now so I tell you.
Okay, to
Agba.
That is also now fire for good. I mean, we are doing a review of One Dawn concert. Yeah. Then Dana Asabre Delma, Alaji Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium. I mean, Hassan Pun explained that as to attendance because Nibu Pampuelma, Shuma, Wula Karedano, Wula Caballero, Wula Karedano, a whole lot happened here. Yes, then Katakuno a review of that particular one, ma. Yes, okay. Nene Yashoma to Ama, someone has joined the program. 10 years no Shamia, Uncle did a flash of a break my video market is Hassan W no video sharing. I mean we'll pick that one and just cut that pictures of performances in the fancy gadam or entry mini then that could not performances mas and then cut very short one can labna you to another cutting yelp down solo you to other nabian pam cutting yelp matter of your crocodile and they tell what the louder Food spices, Lisi Tomato Mix, Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Art and Technology, and of course, in the interview we're doing a review, holistic review of the One Dawn concert. Yeah, the Nana Asabre Delma, but Fansikada Mumboleme, ni thank you interview go Canada, ya, Bandakana to support the program. Hey, Ada Kamana in person be Asunda could be in the way Adato and Abi Pune, no Opura Kaparum comes and had supporting anyway, nothing to Honazon. so ya kale yan titi ma ne para fia bon kuru wa ya ne don kunu pyo ma ankara ne ma mal bishil na won something if you paga on the 25th December on kubala ma about come 3 weeks in between kubala ma we come to Bukum Boxing Arena ma the usual place ma bala ma fanse kada munun pun yole ma ngun lohra munun puru ba no la labra na ya ankara ne ma ba mal bishil ticket ma ya 200 Ghana cedi reservation bala ma don muna it is a table created for men bala ma the distinguished personalities bangwa ku be ha ku pune kana 50 Ghana cedi regular man balama and don't wanna all corners cash now ga for amala access to the stage ma very well fanse gadam na biani Mr. Hassan Bananya mu biani kateleri to Hassan Jan the concert man ranu ma yes Mr. Hassan chaka labna Hassan katinyanya I mean no born okay on social media I mean a whole lot happened about the show when it ended ma there was this banter of beef attacks here and there and you guys were involved at a point what really happened and couldn't you have avoided it
we have been avoided.
Okay.
To avoid them all. But I tell you, Karma, come on, but to let them pan on the fast man in
okay.
To need to clear because the Zoyaka, Bamoya got the fool, Bamoya got the fool, didn't make Yamal in Yellow.
Nation no man, you can Yamal,
the Nama, the Yamale, got the fast man, affected ba.
Okay.
So then you can Yara sometimes got cook guard him, Kafoma.
Okay.
Because the tunete by Yelka fast man, Dishara, make up a band, come up, Ben Yashalma, the Payamale. Come on, show ma. Nibu pami the wiki. Amma banyarlma. But priggle da kana mane. Ada kani. So wala kana banner wiki. Akani.
Okay.
Wala kana banner wiki. So tenem gelani. Kabam binamane dishara.
Ka video
namjina. There's video evidence. Don't worry, come on. This is how our program went. But still kayera. So then you ka Facebook bra yara. Katete gargle jela ka shele so katra gargma tra born na defense ma did dan fana ni jirka ba marma tri ye bi yar katena ba garga ba ngwe ngum damle so sometimes it's calculated because be so you born no one relevant shele la attacks ma
so right on
you get it so we didn't intentionally get in, but the born defense ma ban command whatever was lies. Our program went on successfully from production to have a feeling. Somewhere you could maybe see was there were lights going off and on, and it was because of the crowd. So definitely the next program, then we'll make sure that the VIP man more advances towards that. You get it? That's why
character space in between the no invite fans simple as that.
Because crowd man are not heavy to a point that
too much
disconnections
can maybe so no you to where I get level. So that one we would stand to apologize again. But in overall view, we did a 99% good job. And Bandakana Nitrishara. So to my fans, Gadam Nation. When people are fans, yellow yellow, or fine yinya, Kabaturu, Shin Kalemba, Kabaturu. That is where we grow. Then Zoban Kunyala Yipang Mangani, in supporter to Shama, then chat Zura. So we could tura fire, Yajam Bukum. Then not the program, what was answer will know the no. Only fancy goddamn you look at some program.
Because the Simpson in YouTube.
One don't concert about
one don't concert.
They keep because of us.
One don't.
And you know what?
Okay.
Now is Kayama. I am Kevin boy.
Okay.
Edem.
Shatamichi.
Ne Edem. Le Nanki.
Okay.
Ne Nautica.
Okay.
But you are not selling your fancy. Because no one talking about. When you come, you come promote the show. Never let you yell.
A crowd not to say that.
No, Charlie, 1 month storage, 1 month standard. That's why I be one door.
Okay.
Come on, feel it. Come on, in that crash, or there's a part. So, Charlie, fast, my, you know, you can give fast. They did it in the last time going to Zama, we're not going to basham them the war. It taps on check and some part of the income.
Okay, very well. Now, again on you again, Chakanaku, you promised that how didn't Kakana stage come on 12:30? We won, man. I mean, by 3 you'll get off on the stage, people will get back home early. Unfortunately, you hit the stage and you stood on 5 5:35.
Do you know why?
What happened?
When I was on stage, first imagine about Malaga. Until you shall have one and the other.
Amara for you, so come Shimoyla, Mammy,
so that make sure can Migila comes as then that hit from the Pilgila.
Of course.
Come on, enjoy. Hallam from Timara, but that could you to peel the mark, come on the stage.
Go Manava understand. Hunting that channel, Shapu, cut the land love.
Mama,
not to teach.
no, I can yell at age, ma. Make a shell.
It was crazy.
Come. Dynamic. Dynamic energy. My yama. Charlie, Garam now, Charlie.
Okay, you know, this one is personal on your staffs, man.
Okay.
Your designer, your costume, people are talking about it.
Wow!
Let's start with the cakes.
Why not? I like
no Google te pas Belmé. Bien avant de le Belmé. Belmé, la design ma no rage la Mississippi. Okay.
Belmé
about the cake.
No, pass solo.
Okay.
I go go chum online just Belmé.
Okay.
I get price. Then you 55 million.
I'm understanding.
Where number man? Bill lottery.
5,500.
5,500.
Namda afa. Fila boka trema.
Ma wa don ko set pour nous.
Afa aller ma échange be yon la lormo ba to da polo ma block son.
Wumo. Ye wa don concert ma. So tu ne ti yira fi yanga.
Okay.
So lorma la na lorma yela 55 million. Inter a producer on show you the online.
Of course.
55 million na.
Okay.
Ababo ka fansi gadam mpor la kana show ma. Non ma rinya designer.
Okay.
Ababo dinga designer ma. Abe katana. Te mala fansi gadam por la socks. Kasan amadema linya together nyale.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Kashabe ni gabra.
Gabra.
Shabna wudi Shabna wudi si. Ya tawa ya. Ka ta funa ne yire kinja fuma. I did this is a hassle.
Okay. So kick map the one. I mean, it is that costly.
The expensive shit nyale.
And I mean in costuming alle fashion sometimes that's how it is.
Yeah.
I mean the best
I mean, understand it.
Yeah, of course.
That's
fashion.
But can get expensive.
Of course.
None man get 55 million. You can Google it.
Okay.
So Bangladesh comes as a can you fan? You be any?
Show me to Akatiara.
Show me to Akatiara.
Kakal.
Can pay.
Okay. To tell you about costuming. I mean, what do you?
I litigation up and down.
Okay.
Now Simba, Bosuma.
Only
one. Okay. What design and that two line.
Okay.
Can go orderly.
Diamond
platinum. How to check a producer a yellow picture man.
Okay.
Can you man?
Okay.
Can solo till that fine. Sometimes yeah. My turn never be a shine even about me.
Okay.
So Banku can mala here near my design, but the Shinyala near Banku here Nike.
Yeah.
So I hear Nike 1.5 Nike.
Yeah.
I go expensive never can say about I'm me.
By your style of designing, because you are a dancer, I'm a add taste of look.
Thank you.
Because you are a dancer, that's how you appear.
One you know I can't go down the
and sometimes the costume, it assists the dance.
Then let me put you guard the wula. Girma punika nyanga. Are you going
to craziness matter, yeah, because everyone who was there can enter the energy that was pushed into it, man, you could understand.
Kasha gubli ni bono
never that charming.
Karinyamba. Man to could saka so box up.
Okay. Maka apre a silly person to stage.
Maka never go one. Fast can go one.
Performance. Are you sure that you were able to, apart from Wula no, you were able to give the people performance album Borma?
Oh no, my fans is sure. I did my best. Abago. Can fast our motion here, and look man and she can because I wanted to satisfy them.
Yeah.
You don't kunyale.
Okay.
Gadam de you don't kunyale. So cash up for you.
Lam kunyale.
Then you kunyale.
So la cash up.
Okay. Doubt here. Come on, they will. Show shutting and water to the
okay. Accra no.
Okay,
Bukum Boxing Arena.
Bukum Boxing Arena.
Okay.
Come and Shamitaro. But you know, shut a while show. naka sa ko de ma show karasa sa the same day Rapaholic in la 25th
yeah
ka naka sa ko de ma show sports stadium on the 25th
yeah
ka fast ga ma show on the 25th
so you are daring them
so mama yalia so
I'm laughing ma I believe you got a national smart pala
ya kala tom no vvip ma 200 Ghana
ay afa
agaya
la ka na ka be na ma la ball am la timma
no papa understand
I understand
there's one thing yeah TV forcing you on
okay
there's no way can recognize it
okay you record in the same studios or better than them you should
better video
than them so you should have to claim numbers more than them
the piano ni la crash tin tin ma video will be go over you and to compare la video to any high whiskey video and to compare
no of course
but the day but recognize it come on so ala nsanye TV3 nemne blog about the show ma
yeah of course
ka yon nira
it is all over on there
wuma ka yon nira ka to commenter benni and yerle it was a flop show
wow
ka TV3 no ma ka reply you record the wula this energy shouldn't have come from you guys
yeah you am
the producer can show it you can show it
on to show you that can you
now so man now so odidagban man
la kan yarma tibe yon dar taba ka tinyar ka de wula
and they show pictures and videos of the crowd.
They posted a video and a photo of event ma. Come one of them to comment la. Kabal reply you know ya.
No.
To know comment ma because he's from where that artist is coming from.
No check him out for the Throne concert.
Yeah, I don't know that.
The Throne concert was the best. I'm at the end of the flow.
Okay, this is Hana Kubiane. I've put you Bukum Boxing Arena. Date ma confirmed 25th from Balabo. 25th. Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday.
25th
Saturday.
Okay.
I saw that.
And time as usual.
Time marrying at 3 o'clock.
Zauni in your program.
Zaun can start.
And tickets ma 50 Ghana cedi in 200 reservation.
Ticket ma, you couldn't get 50 Ghana cedi because 200 by the way for Sarashaba. Then you get 50 Ghana cedi.
Okay.
Tama 200 Ghana cedi ma. Then you get for us
special bookings in your own.
I'm going to have a special person. Don't call
Zomuna de Katali.
The Katali.
Okay.
Because I'm about to.
No, you're water at the side. Very well. Okay. Yes. Preparation that one, Maya. Preparation that one, ma. As I pick us through, because this is not your first time putting up a show in Accra.
Yeah.
It has always happened. This time around, is it going to be like the same way in Nonchali Yoma? Changes CMB.
No, it will be different.
Okay.
Because I layer, even though production wise,
okay.
And I can even shak come back man. The Nokati and Zang Nanamani.
Okay.
Because the same stage,
okay.
The same sound, the same light.
Yeah. And the stage was crazy.
It was crazy.
Very crazy.
Stage madam la screen them then
and
displays what is going on.
Yeah.
So the last stage man Nokati and Zang. No, the first meeting on the show.
Yeah, sure.
The Nokati and Zang and the money. The difference is just that the way you go. Because the yela Ankara kanna yongo.
Okay.
So dumbonguna de bengu. So dingura na kaman den the dang set bagar tinda set teacher.
Okay.
Because the young dundon katena.
Okay.
So stage wise sound lighting be been changing.
Okay.
Then go and add the man yala location ma.
Okay.
Venue ma. Tamas Sports Stadium ni Bukom Boxing Arena.
Wow.
We are going to promise to give you the best production.
Okay.
Don't go bor siam nyame. 25th ma.
Okay.
Sukam da yina vin yala.
Biti year sako de deni.
Because Ndamaya sako dia malashu.
Yeah, of course.
Come medical me shata wale baker sports studio.
Yeah.
Katibaker buko. We have done it before.
Okay.
Brandon
la Ghana was it?
S-Concept.
Karabesha pulo nanda. Katibabe buko.
Stories man. Oh, Charlie. No, Charlie, you be something else.
Sometimes it.
Then we look after show.
I mean, creative art.
Yes,
Mr. Socrates is talking about it. I mean, he's all over on the media. Hello, Charlie radio interview.
Yeah, come on, little pound at the monk and Karaman letter. I would go from by so that one of my time in Willimbara. Now, Chika. Like that's not back, so comes out of my laughing. I can't tap on the show, work and less successful.
Very well.
Money, and so people in detail like about the show why in successful. Yeah, tell the Jim.
About show what the rich of
successful because be yet
By force.
By force.
Or by hook. I mean, that's been the secret. Even world music now is about numbers. I mean, everybody's talking about it because that's in UK and the numbers are crazy. So to go comfort zone, if you go there and put up a show that is in competition,
man,
can your numbers man? I mean, we are forced to reckon with.
So don't put a problem because Mankara, but we get Mamba, Sakwadia, Shatawadi, and then Stoneboy.
Of course.
Abago, Tuma, Kasakwadia, Sakura Malura Hall concept.
Yeah.
You know that that's normal.
Of course, Rapaholic.
You catch a well because I had no money. Supposed to your America.
Yeah.
Come by no better. The same day, in you back a Stoneboy. So Banaka, they will show them, Pammy and Nama.
Kakuze and
Aye, Kaura.
Torokatali, no Bolivia.
I understand. SF for life. Company Ganam Nation. Sack Nation, Papa Ganam Nation.
Okay.
Ganam Nation Baku Pierre, who's some who Joara. I am doubting. Ben, you run it out of him. She show my name.
Okay.
Hey, man, could believe that I'm named Taba.
Okay. To Unkana Pumpo, 2 things come one tell the so your mama and Buama to Ashabana tell me. So you no, don't want to comment on me. I never be any now you're free. Now me later Halama Maka. Nika you need to the flight. Nika me you jam, Nika to you tease.
How about a morning? Carconco. Carco Jama. Bratamel, you are no America, you are no.
Oh, visa.
Visa.
5 years now.
You 5 years.
So to deal go.
Wumbushaw.
No to deal go.
Can visa man dinyali.
Okay.
The yellow multiple entry. Can I go to visa? I can't capture and put a lave. In the man, multiple entry.
Uncle Johnson.
My name is American Kusha. I'm the embassy.
Flight.
Come on, my ticket. Cadaver. Ababo. Ndam.
Okay.
Can do Lord Carlo. The party team you win Yama.
Okay.
Betty double. In Yamaka Jamilkama.
Okay.
Ababo. A man I Jamilkama to my relationship.
Okay.
You can't part about Takapchan on Corman.
Yeah, yeah.
Uncle Chika, Nirupam Zabit.
Okay. She enjoys the brand.
The number.
Several times people will even come
About
around.
20 million. I'll come for a sort of quarter to one Canada.
Oh, Lamb.
But check out Swiss.
Because guy drama.
Sometimes.
But never the Buhara, the Simpson are.
The person who get my emotion. Yeah.
No, just calm down.
But if you don't come, but New Kurato Yerman Zamso.
Okay.
Then check out me about the Kambaga.
Okay, come on, New Kura Arachang Wali. I mean, after the show, man, I'm not even sure you were out of the space, man. And you guys picked the car and drive all the way to Wali to do a presentation. What happened and how did it do?
I understand it.
Okay.
I should push ya. And Tinyaka, New Kurguso Garama.
Okay.
Come a pew. New Kurguso Garama. Go Yixi. Come on, Ungarwa, Carniera has a Warwama. Abago. Take Catty and Nisham into your assembly.
Okay.
But like Shetibakucham, I come in to Belfast again of the Sankway. That man, the Pala like thief might. Zanction that is important.
Oh, okay.
What is my Catari one Zanction? Terabon to Malay in Cromwell.
Was my video map when Asabazana
to Binya Abago. She probably been your first Latif, my grand form.
Okay.
Abago. I mean, doing up Pulika Cabra. Amakasoka, Soka Trump Killer Pie. Tia Chawati will find. Do much at no TV. Goodbye. Abago.
We try to share the later.
In Dambalama. Can't you to Nikurus, but I share what one more than what I okay. Oh, what is what there could be a lord for me. Then you believe politics of what TV is out of the I call you a catabag.
Couldn't you have just sent maybe Hassan, the team could have just presented it?
To put to another
Shakucha.
Because
one
okay. What of a
cut Pinicatri want to tell it.
Okay, upon Nasama Wuba.
The number.
Wow.
To me, I'm but gratitude. Now, you talk come the night of a band. I do shop in that sort of fancy. Then check out as a gun do basso come.
Wow.
And we go that door, there are barber. I do Caracarana. So, Madam, I type room there. If you have while in Abba,
of course.
And look, we took with young. Yeah, TV. Zora, you know.
I buy your mala ya no buy a TV to buy the buyer didn't channel. I saw can go to yes, still I mean, still on you fancy. Apart from lab presentation, ma. It seems I mean Shabanda wake out ma. Electro G, baby,
yeah.
And you have a concert with
Electroland.
Electroland.
Which are banning Nasco, Kanye Samsung, Kanye Media.
Okay.
When you buy Tongan Electroland, ma.
Okay.
About Benyola be showroom.
Okay. Okay.
Kaborni solo bangso showroom man be Sheffield.
Okay.
About Kanye the fast garam cat jam samban money.
Okay.
So that my image jam samban money, near the cat bang the money.
Okay.
So didn't cardboard TV na that. They draw your fridge and chang the man to be at the nation.
Okay.
The China could try.
Baba.
Before the man had them be Lamasha Road.
Okay.
I could change. Come on, I tell a radach.
Okay.
I could make a radach. I'm never mere store of this apparition. Be sure remember.
Okay. I'm going to Dutch. I left.
I am Malagaba.
Okay. I'm going to
the man Japan Motors.
Okay.
Yeah,
very well.
So now the party on the 11th.
Okay.
And Zuma Sharon can number.
Okay.
Kulas Masharan can number. Fasagadam mal free concert.
Okay.
Lama Chapal Lamazo.
Okay.
The two fan comes as Sayina.
Okay.
Come to cut in your soul, man, Kaban Kadi, with a Benchirian Zambaman Telesomaya, or she'll my soul.
Okay. All right. The number one Galicia. Alas, and Lokupa solo cancana.
No,
The album is the one done EP. Album Mapumpo original. I mean, a whole lot of crazy songs in the album.
Okay.
Tiam Pickle one. Never to cook 2 or 3 songs.
Okay.
I mean, there's a song in it that has lyric shell people are not getting it clear.
Okay.
Which is Ego Over You. Nirmala Ayarman come the boys vocabulary use.
Okay.
Anyebo.
Okay.
Kashabia and Nirmala come and I advise them on what to do with their money.
Okay.
Anyebo.
Okay.
But I'm trying to have a different feeling of it because I'm going over and over.
Okay.
What really are you trying to portray in that song? Title man Ego Over You.
Okay.
Nothing Allah Shiba. The Zongla.
Thank you. Don't Google.
Don't Google. Okay.
Right way, Kabanyama. Don't Google. I go over you.
Okay.
Thing is on your card. Chapter 2 lyrics, ma, one by one. Can you even understand it?
Okay.
December, you spend all your money, you go so far for January.
Okay.
You're working, they determine your salary.
Okay.
When you close your account and spend the money, spending more than your capacity.
Okay.
You're killing your destiny.
Wow.
Your last money you spend now for labadi. You go over you.
Ooh.
I swear you go over you. You go over you.
Adri Gare Anyarsham.
No.
Oh, don't Google.
Don't Google.
Okay.
About
I mean, Sasugupanya.
There's a lot of sense in that song.
Of course.
December, you spend all your money, you go so far for January.
Okay.
Don't forget, say, you're working, they determine your salary.
Of course. Okay.
When you close your account and spend the money, you spending more than your capacity. You're killing your destiny.
Wow.
Your last money, you spend on for labadi. You go over you.
Lamuna.
I swear you go over you.
Kaya.
You go over you.
Okay.
One day you go, chilling be good by chill with caution.
Okay.
Money you dey blow, you go fit buy mansion. These girls that my body can bring you confusion.
Okay.
If you joke, you go fall into temptation.
Abba.
Always you dey wangolo. Anybody you dey wangolo.
Okay.
One song they do you wangolo. 2 song, 3 song you dey wangolo.
Oh.
You dey wangolo. Yeah. You go over you.
Kaya.
I swear you go. Mbalam bad for you.
Then.
Fast gada mo mi mpe dede.
Okay.
You know be say mi ka se bebre. Asama mi kanu kure. You know be say mi ka se bebre.
Okay.
You get nothing for your pocket. Don't talk high budget. Your
Okay.
room be ghetto. No be picking pocket.
Okay.
We they call access. If you buy ashes, you
Okay.
go around seconds.
Okay.
Seconds. You go over you. Tell them problem. Fast gada mo mi mpe dede.
Okay, yes,
You know be say mi ka se bebre.
Okay.
Asama mi kanu kure.
Okay.
You know be say mi ka se bebre. You get nothing for your pocket. Don't talk high budget.
Okay. If you don't get nothing for your pocket.
Don't talk high budget. Yes.
Okay, Kafola.
Thank you.
Okay.
You know you picking pocket. What
Okay.
they call access.
Okay.
If you buy ashes, you go around seconds.
Okay.
You go over you.
Oh.
I swear you go over you.
Yeah.
You know you picking pocket. What they call access. Woman. Don't talk high budget.
Okay.
I
No, I get that. My more company breakdown, my company understand to that. Okay,
fast gadamu mimpede de.
Ni ma kam wase me ne fast gadam no rije for pam.
Okay. Let me say mi kasa bebre.
Ne polo di yar la pam.
Thank you.
Asama mi kanu pray.
No yare to ashel woli yama le pam ni yare.
Ababo. Let me say mi kasa bebre.
Ne polo di yar ma.
You get nothing for your pocket.
Akaba shaabu surugune.
Don't talk high budget.
Di yar ka fola de four yara la re. La ko yara ma fa.
You get nothing for your pocket. Don't talk high budget.
Okay.
If you buy ashes, you go ransack. You know man, come on, this man gets your pump.
Ashes ma taba when you shall high man.
Nah, del pump.
Akbal asala la pen de pam down. Now so am fa ka suru yara. La ko yara ma. What boys ma on the street ma, they know it.
Clear advice. Kete shem yira biya antipa tura.
O jogra.
Jogra. People go hey. Ayo go fa.
O ma machine si fast bro. Adora so o chusu la re. Na binchan club. So ku tem na ku dira to kuna ya.
Problem
Na jinjamo za la pama. O ku le jinjamo yi so yi.
Go o man fa
Na ko jinjama ye. No sam agare fancy. Sam aden gare sa. Party me no yendi nim de Martin ye problem. There's a song in that particular evening ka bole ne yendi. Na ya sankara yele. Kara feature is flexi. I mean, identifying is flexi on the song Madon Konko. It is a plus to yendi. Look content.
Chale big up to yendi. High the station. I be map for me. Never attention, pam na yerim bi. Na la yendi one.
Yendi ma.
Yes.
I can't mantambo afa.
No, mantambo di chanya de fela. But the mala nibna rebe nyara mantambo ma. Atashi mama me yele be chanela ipina.
Okay.
So kan pire la on borshan.
Donc on mala dream aba.
Thank you. Then ko no trame. Kana mo yina.
Okay.
Katia kana boy yina. Katia kana boy yina.
Okay.
Ba sa chita na shiamo.
Tichama yendi.
The mala yendi ma never attention pam nyara be.
Content man yala wula that particular song.
Then one guys. I mean they love the campaign that.
No, start them go start a big one. No one man ka content man start ra.
No yira.
Yendi station ya ranyo ma ba.
Yendi station kateda miti.
Okay.
Kambo no yuli. No yuli mbondi hamdia. Ko tamle mi o yendi. Hamdi.
Okay, to teacher ma.
Ka fondin ko yina. Wala lonye nguna. Na yedin ko yina. Mamba mi mankumira yendi. Kadala ada kulbu toti go number. Manamba ma kambonje. Kambonje. Dele kambonje. Welele. Ka especially no. Fast ada kulbu toti go number. Manamba ma kambonje.
Na sarka kana. Story man yala amite la bi yendi. Station.
Yendi station kan you.
Okay.
Kan so bago.
Kabo yule.
Kambo yule. Ko yule bon hamdia.
Okay.
Na ma ko table bon do hamdi.
Okay.
Kambo ya. Ka yedin ko yina.
Wula le ko yina.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ka yedin ko kama ya. Nda direct man ba ya. Ka bargale.
Amio yule.
Mio yule.
Ha ka mio bama.
Ha ka mio.
Okay.
Ni no bo.
Okay.
Agba.
Okay. Babla
ba na mambla nyina ma.
Okay. So ka papa this flex munye na ya nyirmo.
Thank you. Ka papa we munye na ya nyirmo ya kama diwula. This one number can mura meet in this station.
Okay.
Can they go number can label do hamdi.
Okay.
Agba wo. Kom papa ya. Yeden ko yina. Wula lenyo nguna.
Okay, na boss.
Ka fondin ko yina.
Okay.
On ba fondin ma kama leyo ya. Mambe mi man kumila yendi.
Kaya.
Agba wo. Muya ma ya. Kadala ada kulbu todi go number.
Okay.
Maria, my number ma kambonje.
Wayo.
Kambonje, dini kambonje. Agbawo.
You to have me.
Welele. Abase ada kulbu todi go number. My number ma kambonje.
Wayo.
Kambonje. Kaya wula. Na bandi kandana kanaba ma borgi.
Wayo.
Baby, I'm sorry yo. Lula kam kai be ya makilin ko.
Ayo.
Sa kam tala yala ambe give up. I to my last chance ambe mess it up.
Okay. I know you now the shame in me you cut fire. Baba me no me no mutinho problem. Jankana. No, you don't want to shave kumele, shave me indicate na qualify.
I second verse, Baba. Here never can do you because you're not guessing.
No, because how is flexing, Mama? I mean, the guy has performed wonders in that particular. Yeah, and I mean, you are impressed that on to the police. Tanya. Nata malan kane. Kaya fila boka bati mata. Pierma ya. Jankana. Ompanya.
Yo no mo kan boashe mbonje.
Okay.
E ko la tim son te kan kumde.
Okay.
Apala bi chacha, bezanga nto chacha, na yile puri chacha, wenyangai da kasomu snacha, apala bi chacha.
No, verse my I'm just a shit them like that. I don't get okay. No, the mic
Sabia, como ela tirboa, obinha sakwa, anya betende abang ne besapa, e umuka tunu yarba, iso muyur no borre la renja.